Morning student, continue with our topic addition of water hydration reaction. Here a water molecule get added to alkene in the presence of acid, that is sulfuric acid, to form alcohol. So by adding water molecule, this ENE, that is a ethene, double bond will break, convert into single bond and will form the ethanol. CH2 double bond CH2 reacting with the water molecule or adding water molecule in this, then the product is ethanol C2H5OH, that is ethanol. Addition of HCl, that is hydrogen chloride. When an ethene gas is treated with HCl, chloroethane is formed. Here ethene adding HCl in ethene, double bond will break, convert into single bond, valency will be satisfied by H and Cl. Here CH3 single bond CH2 Cl. So H will be added here, Cl will added here, so we will get the ethylene chloride or chloroethane. If chloroethane is treated with aqueous potassium hydroxide, ethanol is formed. Here we have ethyl chloride reacting with potassium hydroxide, producing ethanol and potassium chloride. Polymerization: when two or more molecules of same compound associate to form a bigger molecule, means from a smaller molecule convert into a bigger molecule, reaction is called as a polymerization. Ethene polymerize to produce polyethene, that is n number of CH2 double bond CH2, that is ethene, at a high temperature, high pressure catalytic will produce CH2 single bond CH2, and it is in n numbers, so polyethene. Oxidation: ethene is oxidized with alkaline, that is potassium permanganate KMnO4 at room temperature. Ethene CH2 double bond CH2, here adding water molecule plus oxygen, giving CH2 single bond CH2, and this OH is attached to CH2OH. CH2OH, here is a single bond, so double bond is break and now get converted into a single bond. Here the product called as 1,2-ethane diol. So 1,2 parenthesis ethane and 2 alcoholic group, so diol, OL for alcoholic group OH. The purple color of KMnO4 decolorizes. Combustion of ethene: here if in excess of air, then it burn and produce carbon dioxide and water and heat. Here C2H4 in presence of oxygen, when it burns, it produces carbon dioxide, water and heat. Uses of ethene: ethene is used in making polyethene. It is converted into ethanol. Yeah, it is used in making or manufacturing the detergents. It is used for cutting and welding the metals. It is used to manufacture the synthetic chemicals.